Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a ghost airplane. First, gather your materials. 1 sheet of standard A10.5 by 11-inch paper, a ruler, and a pencil. We will focus on creating a design that maximizes glide time and distance. This updated approach emphasizes precise folding techniques and material selection to achieve superior flight characteristics, ensuring your airplane soars effortlessly through the air. Now, let's begin with the foundational folds. Start by folding your A10.5 by 11-inch sheet of paper perfectly in half lengthwise, then unfold it to create a guiding crease. Next, bring the top 2 corners down to meet this center crease, forming a sharp, pointed nose. These initial folds are critical for the airplane's structural integrity and its ability to cut through the air efficiently, setting the stage for excellent flight. Moving on to the wings, which are vital for lift and control. Fold the entire paper in half along the original center crease, with the pointed nose on the outside. Then, fold down each side to create the main wings, ensuring they are symmetrical. For added stability, create small, upward-angled winglets at the very back edge of each wing, about 1/4 inch high. This design helps the airplane maintain a steady flight path. Finally, it's time to launch and fine-tune your ghost airplane. Hold the airplane gently just behind its center of gravity, typically about 2/3 of the way back from the nose. Launch it with a smooth, forward motion, aiming slightly upward. Observe its flight path. If it veers, make tiny, symmetrical adjustments to the wingtips. A well-tuned ghost airplane can glide for over 20 feet with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.